Welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin's Shipment 8, due in early January 2021, so that is due in on the 8th of January, but with customs and so on, it'll take a few more weeks for that for us to unload and register and all that kind of thing, so probably due for February. But apart from that, you're going to be seeing about 50 motorcycles in these videos. Each one of them will go through the condition, mileage, price, that kind of thing, so you'll have a better idea of what to expect. We're then taking €250 deposits if you want to secure a particular bike. And do remember that the last brochure we sold up to 30 bikes before they even landed, so they do go high on demand, especially our 50s, 70s and 90s, that is, in Hondas. Remember to like, subscribe and comment down below on what you think of these videos. They do take a long time to create, so any of those is greatly appreciated. So that's it for now. So enjoy the next bike you're going to see. Enjoy the video. Okay, so for bike 12, it is a Honda C50. It's a 12 volt one, even though it is from 1986. So the prior to 1990, bikes are getting really rare. 80s are rare, 70s are exceptionally rare, and so on and so on. For the 50s, really nice bike, really good condition. Only 11,000 miles on the clock, which is really nice. Very small mileage on the bike, so 18,000 kilometers. Really nice mileage on this bike, and in really good condition. Everything on this right hand side of the bike comes up trumps. Nothing to really make note of. I can't see any real blemishes on the bike on this right hand side. You're looking then onto the left hand side then. Again, really nice condition. If you're to be really fussy, really some minor signs of spotting on the chain guard, but really nice condition. A great little Honda 50, the first green 50 of the brochure, and there's many more to come, but that's it for bike 12. Okay, that's for this video, this particular bike. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like. Also comment and subscribe will be greatly appreciated. As well as that, if you do want to look at all the bikes, the brochure will be linked in the description. Just fill out that form and the brochure will be sent to you automatically. So that's really that for that video. All the other videos are linked there in the brochure or will be uploaded here on YouTube. So that's it for that video. Thank you for watching.